Hello, I'm Felicity Brand, aka Flickstar, and in this video we're going to look at the end-to-end workflow of contributing a step-by-step guide. And we're going to do that by following a step-by-step guide, which you can find in the Contributor's Guide, and it's called Contributing a Step-by-Step Guide Using Your Browser and GitHub. The first thing we need to do is create a GitHub user account. Click on this link and follow these steps here to sign up for your own personal account. I already have one, so I'm going to go down to the next section, which is to copy the template. Click on this link to open the step-by-step guide template in a browser window. And now we are in a GitHub repository and we're looking at the template. We want to copy this content, and the way to do that is to go to the top right of the screen. Click this button, Copy Raw File. A tooltip displays that says Copied, so now that content is copied to the clipboard. Next, we need somewhere to paste it. So we need to create a new file, and we'll do that up here in the Incoming folder. Here in the Incoming folder, go to the top right, click Add File and choose Create New File. Because this is my first contribution, I need to fork this repository. This is not an error, it's part of the GitHub workflow. I'm going to click the Fork This Repository button. I haven't made any changes, so I'm happy to click Leave. This message in blue at the top is not an error. We don't want write access to the Typo3 repository. We just created our fork, so this is saying that any changes will go to my fork. Flickstar is my GitHub handle, and then I can send a pull request when I'm ready, and that's what we want to do, so we're on the right track. Put your cursor in the body of the file and paste the raw content that we copied earlier. The next thing we need to do is give the file a name. So I'm going to use upper camel case, all one word. It needs to be a markdown file, and so after the file name, type a dot and the file extension MD. If we preview the file, we can see it renders nicely. I'm going to delete this content because we don't need it. And now you can write your step-by-step guide. I've already written mine. I wrote it in a Google Doc. And because we need Markdown format, I went to the File menu, Download, Markdown. This saves the file in Markdown format for me. Then I can open that, copy it, and paste it. Now I'll just do a quick preview to have a look at that, and it looks good. We're ready to click the green Commit Changes button. Copilot has helpfully suggested a commit message and description for me. I might just change this slightly. Now click Propose Changes. GitHub displays the Comparing Changes screen. This is comparing the work in my Flickstar fork to the base Typo3 repository. And this arrow means when I create a pull request, that I'm going to request that Typo3 pull my changes into the base repo. So click Create Pull Request, and here is the Open a Pull Request screen. The title and description fields are pre-populated from the commit. Leave the title as is, but feel free to add any information in the description that you think might be helpful for the reviewers to know. When you're ready, click Create Pull Request, and you're done. The maintainers of the repository will be automatically notified that there's a new PR. And if you're curious, you can click Pull Requests to see the list of open PRs. Yours will be among them. Congratulations! You have now contributed a step-by-step guide using only your browser and the tools available in GitHub, and we thank you very much for your contribution.